Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to use tabs in Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see I have a test page. So now let me click here, edit with Elementor, and Elementor page builder is loading. Make sure that you have installed Elementor so you can easily use different elements and you can easily create any type of design. Now here I need to add a new container. Here you can see this one plus button, click here, then add a new flexbox container. So let me select this one, and after that here you can search for tabs, then drag this one here. Okay, now here we have this one plus button, so we can easily add any of the element, any of the widget from here. But before that we only have a text box here in the Elementor old version. So that is the great amazing update. For example, let me drag one of the element here, this one image. After that, now let me select one of the image from my laptop, this one, and for the second tab, okay, that looks perfect. For the tab 3, here I want to add a new container, this one, and inside this container I want to add some different element. So I want to add this one YouTube video. After that, click here publish button. Now let's view this page and then scroll down. So let me check these tabs. Here you can see that works perfect. So here we don't need to create the separate templates for these section inside the tabs.